Hello children, welcome to my channel Ayan's Toys. Today we are learning about animal and their sound part 5. Let's start. Leopard. Leopard sound growl. Growl. Fox. Fox sound yelp या scream. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus sound grunt. Grunt. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros sound grunt. Grunt. Cheetah. Cheetah sound chirp. Chirp. Crocodile. Crocodile sound hiss या growl. Lizard. Lizard sound click. Click. Sparrow. Sparrow sound chirp. Chirp. Woodpecker. Woodpecker sound drumming. Drumming. Peahen. Peahen sound scream. Scream. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.